Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch Series 8 and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install applications on this watch, your watch needs to be connected to the internet and also you will need to be logged in into an Apple ID account on your watch so you can use the Apple App Store. Okay, once you have internet connection and the Apple ID account on your watch, we can continue, and now we can wake up the screen on our watch by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. After the menu opens, you can scroll through it by swiping on the screen, find the Apple App Store icon and tap on it to open the App Store, and here we have the App Store. Now we can scroll down to scroll through the list of categories and different apps, as you can see. And here you can look for the app you want to install. But I'm just gonna scroll up and tap on search and look for something specific. Maybe something like, calculator. Okay, calculator, and then tap search. And here we have the results for the calculator. As you can see, we have one already, but you can scroll down and here we have maybe this one. And if you want to install the app, you can tap on the get button, but you can also tap on the name of the app to open the info page for this application. And here we have the reviews, screenshots, and also what changed in the previous version. Oh, come on, go back like this. And also you can scroll down, you can check the version history, the reviews, information, and privacy policy. And if you want to install the app, like I said before, tap on the get button. And after the application is done installing, you will see this open button and you can tap on it to open the application. Or you can simply open it by opening the menu, by pressing the crown button, finding the icon in the menu and tapping on it to open the application. Okay, and that's how you install the applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.